Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Yes, students, in my last lecture, we have seen the definition of the sets. Okay, I am recalling this one. A well collection of things, which is well defined, which is we understand very simply. Okay, the particular group or defined arrangement things that is called the sets. Okay, now we are going to see there are how many methods. We have two methods of sets. Number one, listing method or roster method. You can say listing method or we can say roster method. Now see the definition of the listing method or roster method. We write all elements of a set in curly bracket. We write the set in two curly bracket. All the element of the given set. Each element written only once. Be careful. Whatever we write the elements of the set in two curly bracket, the element should be at once only. Will not repeat the digits or numbers. Okay, many times, two times. Only will write the particular digit or number at once in two curly bracket. Here also given next instruction, the all elements must be separated by commas. The whatever we write the numbers or elements between two curly bracket, the all digit or numbers will be separated by commas. For example, I have written one example. See here, the example is there. The set of even numbers between 1 to 20. You know even numbers? You have seen in lower classes, means last year, the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now see very well. Here how to write the set in listing method. We'll write the name first, set of name we are given. I am given here a name of set A equal to, here we have the two curly bracket. In between two curly bracket we write the all elements between 1 to 20. Okay, you will see between 1 to 20 the starting number will be there, the even number, that is 2. We write the 2, comma 4, comma 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. The last number is there 18. These are the even number, even natural numbers are there. These all numbers are between 1 to 20. Okay, this is the writing of set, the writing of listing method or roster method. Okay, you got it. Many examples are in your textbook also there. You can write, you can see that one. Okay, now see next example, name of days of a week. How many days are in a week? 7 days are there. Okay, now how to write? We write the first name of the set. I have written here B. Okay, B is the name of set equal to curly bracket. We write the two curly bracket here. First and closing bracket is there. Now the name, starting name of the days, week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Each days are separated by commas and between two curly bracket. This is the method, the listing method, or you can say roster method. You got everything? Okay. Now see the next method we have rule method or set builder form. What? Rule method or set builder form. Here what we have the definition. Let's see. I have written here. You can see there. Okay. Let's see. Here we don't write the list of elements. Here before this method, in first method we write the list of the numbers. But in this method, means method number 2, rule method, we don't write the list of elements, but write the general elements using the variable. We write the only general elements using the variable followed by a vertical line, or colon, and write the property of the variable. We use here variable. Okay. Now see, to clear this definition, one example here. I have written two examples. Number one example. These are the numbers, natural number between 1 to 10. The natural number between 1 to 10. Here what we have in the set P. P we have the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the first method. Which one? Listing method. Now we are going to convert into the next method, that is the rule method, or you can say set builder form. Here see, answer question. I have given the name of set Q equal to curly bracket X. X having the definition of the particular set. X is a member of natural number, or you can say X is a element of natural number, comma 1, 1 and 10. See here, here is the greater than and lower than sign. Between two greater and lower than sign we have the X. It means what? X is a number which belongs more than one numbers and less than 10. X is a number which belongs to the numbers. What numbers? Less than 10 and more than 1. More than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means less than 10. The number, what numbers are there? The numbers which more than 1 and less than 10 means all the numbers will be there, which is all belongs to in X. This is the form of what? Rule method, or you can say set builder form. See the next example here, what we have. Here we have the in the set R, second example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are the even numbers. These are the even numbers which is more than 1 and less than 18. What we have? More than 1 and less than 15, or you can say 18. Okay, see here. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How to write this set in the rule method or set builder form? I have written here answer. I have given the name of set as Y. What is the Y? Containing the all elements. Y. Y is an even natural number. Y is an even natural number less than 15. All the numbers will be there. Natural even number. Even natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4. Even natural number which is started by 2. Okay. Here we have given the information. Even natural number less than 15. Less than 15. What we have the numbers? 14. Here 12, 10, 8, 6, 2, 4. These all are the even natural number. This is the rule. This is the rule method, or you can say set builder form. Okay student, you got it? Now be careful on the instruction and the definition. Then you see the examples is there before your exercise. Many examples are there. You can see that one. Now come to our exercise 1.1. We have the question number 1. First, write the following set in roster form. Write the following set in roster form. Number 1, we have the question in first one. Set of even numbers. Set of even numbers. In which form we have to write this one? Roster method. First method means listing method. Even here we have to write the set of even numbers. Even numbers you know very well. We'll write the name of set first. Suppose I am writing the name of set A. Okay, you will write the even numbers. You have the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it will be continued. It will be infinite, unlimited. It will be continued. Infinite set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It will be continued. This is the even number, and the form roster method. It is shows the list which is separated by commas, and will write the all element between two curly bracket, and will write the name of set. Okay, you got it? Now see in the second example, second question is there, set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers from 1 to 50. You know even numbers, but here we have written the prime numbers. You know prime numbers? No, Prime numbers means what? Which doesn't belongs to any other table. It is only belongs to itself. Itself only. It doesn't belongs to any other table. For example, let's see here. I am giving the name of set B. Okay, we'll write the 2. This is the 2 number is there. Only one element is there, 2. 2 is the number which one even and prime number. There is no more number. Only between 1 to 50 or many numbers is there. Many numbers are there, but they are not having the 2 quality. That means even and prime. 2 have the 2 quality, means it is the even number also, it is the prime number also. So we will write here only one element. 2 is the even and prime number. Okay, you got it? Okay. Now see question number 2. Write the following symbolic elements in words. We have given in symbolic form. Okay, we'll write in the elements in words. Okay, 4 upon 3, which is belongs to Q, or you can say this is the element. It is the sign of, how to read the sign? Element of or belongs to. Okay, now we can write this one. 4 upon 3 is the element of set Q. 4 upon 3 is the element of set Q. Okay, now next question is here. -2 doesn't belongs to n, or -2 is not element of set n, or you can say -2 is not natural number. Set n is the natural number set. We can write here -2 is not element of set n. Okay, you got 2 questions are remaining here. In question number 1, 2 questions remaining are, which is great for you. Inshallah you will do this one. Okay, now see very well at home and be carefully whatever you are having the practice. Do many times this questions practice. Okay, inshallah we'll see next question next time. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.